Assalamualaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Ali Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher in mathematics, National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 9. Our today's topic is exercise 3.1. We'll solve three problems today. It's 12, 14 and 15. Lecture number is 4 and you have a homework again. You have homework number is 4. And the students, already I have written down three questions on the board here. Have a look. The question number 12 at first. Question number 12 is, if x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4 and z equal to 5, what is the value of 9x squared plus 16y squared plus 4z squared minus 24xy minus 16yz plus 12zx. First of all, we should write down the given information here. The solution of 12. Given that the given informations are given that x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4 and z equal to 5. Now we need to find out the value of that expression. So the given expression here, or we should write down here is 9x squared plus 16y squared plus 4z squared minus 24xy minus 16yz plus 12zx. Now, my dear students, we will create the formula of a plus b plus c whole squared formula. The formula is a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus twice ab plus twice bc plus twice ca. To create this one, my dear students, we must notice these signs. This 2 has the negative sign. In the before of 24xy and 16yz, we have the minus sign. And look, what is the common here? The minus sign are common and the value y. Y is common here in both the terms. So we must take y as negative. We must take y as negative. How? Look, it is 9x squared. We can write it down 3x whole square. We'll get back 9x squared. Okay, so it will be our a squared plus b squared. We should write down 4y whole squared. It will be our b squared. But there is the minus sign in before these two terms and y is the common. So we must take here minus 4y whole square. This is also minus 4 square means 16 plus 16 obviously, and y square means y square. We should also get back this 16y squared. Okay, now it's 4z square. 4z square means 2z whole square. Now we'll write down we have write down a square plus b square plus c square. We need plus twice ab plus twice bc plus twice ca, which is already there, plus twice ab. 2 into a means thrice x, b means minus 4y. Look, now if we multiply this 3, we will get back this one, because 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24, and the minus sign will be a minus sign. Like this way, we should create twice bc plus twice bc is 2bc. b means this one, same as this one. Is b means minus 4y into twice z. It will be minus 4 and 2 makes minus 8. Minus 8 multiplied 2 is minus 16, which is minus 16 y and z here. Plus twice ca, twice c. c means twice z or twice z, you can say twice z, and thrice a will be our a. It multiplied thrice a. Now if we multiply 2 multiplied to 4, 4 multiplied 3 is 12 is zx. So this is our arranging values. Now we can apply the formula of a square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab plus twice bc plus twice ca equal to a plus b plus c whole squared. It's a means thrice x plus b here is minus 4y. A plus b plus c whole squared. You can write down the square sign here. Now we will do the first brackets work at first. It's thrice x, it's plus sign and minus sign will make minus sign. 4y plus twice z whole squared. Dear students, we have the value of x, y and z is given here. So put the values here. We'll get the required answer. It's 3 multiply x, x value is 3, minus 4 multiply y's value is 4, plus 2 multiply z, the value of z is 5 whole squared. That's equal to 3 multiply 3 is 9, minus 4 multiply 4 is 16, plus 2 multiply 5 is 10. Now we should do the addition and subtraction easily. My dear students, you must apply the BODMAS rules. The addition first, then the subtraction. In BODMAS rules, we should do addition first, then the subtraction. 9 has a plus sign because 9 has no sign. So 9 has plus sign, 10 has plus sign. So 9 plus 10, it makes 19. Minus 16 remain unchanged, that's a square. So it will be 3 squared, that's equal to 9, which is our required answer. I hope, dear students, you have understood how to solve this kind of problem. Okay, now we'll solve, inshallah, question number 14. Question number 14 and question number 13 is similar type of question. That's why question number 13 is your homework. I am doing now question number 14. Express x square plus 10x plus 24 as the difference of two squares. Difference of two squares means what? Difference means 2 squared, we should write down as a squared minus b squared, like this way. A squared minus b squared, like this way. We should write down like, suppose this one is a squared minus b squared. These two numbers difference of squares we should write down like this way of this expression. So first of all, we need to create the factors of this expression. Is question number 14 is given expression. Okay, given expression is what? It's x squared plus 10x plus 24. That is equal to, we should write down in the factors way, because factors way is the multiplication of some numbers. It may be, suppose this is the factors multiplication. If we can write down, then it will be our a and it will be our b. After that, we can write down the formula of ab. Then we will find out the square of two different terms. Look, it's x squared, it's a middle term. We can break this 24 by 6 and 4. 6 4s are 24 and 6 and 4 when we add, it will be 10. So 6x plus 4x will be breakdown of 10x plus 24. That's equal to, if we take x as common, it will be x plus 6 plus 4. We can take common from this second two term, we will have x plus 6 again. So it will be, we can take x plus 6 as common, we will have x plus 4. So x plus 6 into x plus 4 is the factor of this expression. After that, we can apply the formula of AB. We know that A multiply B, that means AB equal to what? AB is equal to A plus B by 2 whole squared minus A minus B by 2 whole squared. Now we are going to write down like this way. This is the difference of the square of two terms, right? Now write it down. Suppose this one is our A, this one is our B. So A plus B by 2 whole squared. A plus B by 2 whole squared. Minus sign, A minus B. So A is x plus 6 here. Minus sign, we have the minus sign before B. That's why I am going to use the bracket, because I am afraid about the minus sign every time. It's divided by 2 squared. And the side note is must here, because we have applied AB equal to A plus B by 2 whole square minus A minus B by 2 whole squared here. Okay. Now it's a very simple calculation, dear students. It's x plus x is twice x. 6 plus 4 is 10 over 2 squared minus, it will be now x plus 6 and minus sign will be all of these brackets. So it will be minus x minus 4. Minus x minus 4 whole over 2 squared. We can remove these two 2's from the denominator by taking 2 as common from the numerator. If we take 2 as common, it will be x plus 5. whole over 2. This is whole squared, so we should use the second bracket again. Minus, we can here also the second bracket. Okay. Now look, it is, we can add these two now. It is how much? It is x minus x, it will be vanished. 6 minus 4, it will be 2 over 2 whole squared. Now remove these 2 from numerator and denominator, it will be x plus 5 only whole squared, minus 2 and 2 will be omitted, it will be only 1. So 1 is squared. 1 is square equal to 1, we know that. 1 is square equal to 1, we know that. But we must write down like this way, because this is the difference of square of two terms. I hope you have understood, dear students, how to solve this kind of problem. In question number 13, the given here is the factor. In factor ways are given. So you can solve easily from this 3 or 4 lines. You can apply the formula. Okay, now we will solve question number 15. Question number 15 is if a to the power 4 plus a squared plus b squared plus b to the power 4 equal to 8 and a squared plus ab plus b squared equal to 4, find the value of a squared plus b squared. This is question 1, and also need to find the value of ab. So solve this one. To solve this one, this sort of question, this number question 15 and the question number of example 7 are similar. Okay, you can practice example 7 at home. Now I am going to solve question number 15. Is given that it's a to the power 4 plus a squared b squared plus b to the power 4 equal to 8. Suppose this is our equation number 1, and a squared plus ab plus b squared equal to 4. Suppose this is equation number 2. I am going to use this one, that's why I am named this equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, now from 1 we have a to the power 4 plus a squared b squared plus b squared, sorry, b to the 4, that's equal to 8. Now why we have taken this one? Look, dear students, we have a squared plus ab plus b squared. If we can find out the value of a squared minus ab plus b squared, then if we can find out the value of this, then we can add these two, we will find out the value of a squared plus b squared. And if we subtract this one from this second equation, we can find out the value of ab. That is why our first goal is to find out the value of a squared minus ab plus b squared. Okay, so how can we find out this one? Create the formula a square whole square plus this one is b square. These two remain unchanged. Now we need a square plus twice ab plus b square. So twice a b, a squared plus twice ab plus b squared. Now it's 2 times of a squared b squared, but we had before only 1 time a squared b squared. That is why we need to subtract 1 time of a squared b squared. Now it is equal, these two are equal, that's equal to 8 in the right side. Imply that it's a squared plus twice a plus b squared. This is the formula of a plus b whole squared. Write it down. It's a plus b. A means a square, b means b square, a plus b whole square, and minus a and b we can write down like this way, because a squared b squared equal to a b whole squared, that's equal to 8. Now we can apply the formula of a squared minus b squared. We will have a plus b into a minus b. It's a plus b into a minus b, that's equal to 8 in the right side. Okay, my dear students, now we can arrange this one or directly write down the value of this one. Okay, first of all I am arranging this one. It's a squared plus ab plus b squared. This one is so a squared minus ab plus b squared equal to 8. I have arranged this one, nothing else. Okay, I have write down ab in the front, b squared in the last. Also minus ab in the front, b squared in the last. That's it. Now we should put the value of a squared plus ab plus b squared equal to 4. That's equal to 4. Multiply with a squared minus ab plus b squared, that's equal to 8. Our goal is to find out the value of a squared minus ab plus b squared, which is already there. So turn these 4 into the right side. We'll have a squared minus ab plus b squared is equal to 8 by 4, that's equal to 2. So this can be our equation number is 3. Okay, equation number is 3. Now my dear students, sub question number 1 and 2 we can solve easily. How we can solve? We can take question number 2 is equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, sorry, from equation 1 and 2, if we add these two equations, if we add these two equations, we have what? We have this one, a squared and a squared. It will be 2a squared plus ab minus ab, it will be vanished. B squared, it will be plus 2b squared. That's equal to, the right side we have 4 plus 2 equal to 6. Now we can take 2 as our common. It will be a squared plus b squared, that's equal to 6. Now our goal is to find out the value of a squared plus b squared. So transfer this 2 in the right side. If we transfer this 2 in the right side, it will be divided by 6. So a squared plus b squared, that's equal to 6 over 2. Therefore a squared plus b squared, that's equal to 3, which is our required answer of activity 1. Now we'll solve here also in activity 2. We have enough space to solve this one. If we subtract this equation 3 from equation 2, we'll get what? Subtract equation 3 from 2. We have if we subtract this one from this, a squared minus a squared, it will vanish. Now ab minus will be positive, ab plus ab, it will be twice ab, so twice ab. B squared minus b squared, it will be vanish. In the right side it will be 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Imply that ab is equal to 2 over 2. We have transferred this to the right side. Therefore we have ab is equal to 1, which is our answer of second part of question number 2. I think, dear students, you have understood. It's a very easy question. This similar type of question you will find out in your book, example number 7. You can practice that one, but your HW is this one. Don't forget it. Your HW number 4, please mention the HW number in the left corner of your copy and submit this HW in your assigned HW copy by doing this one. Exercise 3.1, question number 13 you should solve, and you can submit the HWs in every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. See you again inshallah in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.